everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to activate and customize notifications in the Santander mobile app, so you never miss an important update in 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Santander app. Launch the app and log in with your credentials or biometrics. Step 2. Access the menu. Tap the 3 horizontal lines or the profile icon at the top corner of the screen to open the main menu. Step 3. Go to Settings. From the list of options, tap on Settings or Notifications and Alerts depending on your version of the app. Step 4. Choose Notification Types. You'll see a list of available notifications like account balance updates, incoming and outgoing transactions, credit card payments, security alerts. Toggle on the ones you want to receive. Step 5. Set delivery method. You can choose to receive alerts via push notifications, SMS, or email. Select your preferred method and confirm. Step 6. Save and exit. Once done, tap Save or Confirm at the bottom of the screen. Tip: make sure your phone's notification settings allow Santander alerts. Otherwise, you might miss them even if they're turned on in the app. And that's it. Your Santander app will now keep you informed in real time. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more smart banking tips in 2025. Thanks for watching.